Hello YouTube, I'm Chris Fleming, and today I would like to review the Celestron PowerSeeker 127 Newtonian reflector. It is Bird Jones style, which in turn means that there's a mirror in the base of the focuser, which helps it achieve its focal ratio. The focuser on it is extremely sensitive, which is a plus to me, and I enjoy it thoroughly. It works great, and it is a 1.25. The mirror in it, of course, is a 127 diameter. It computes to about 5 inches. It's a great mirror, works really well. And the only thing I could have seen that would have been done better was a center dot for collimating, which can be quite the chore, seeing the mirror is inside the focuser, which I will make a video of down the road. Moving on, the finder scope is not bad, but it can definitely be upgraded to a more efficient one, maybe something like a tail rad or something of that nature. It also comes with the DSLR piggyback mount, which if you are into astrophotography and piggybacking, it would be a wonderful thing to have. Moving on to the focal ratio and diameter and focal length, which you can see there is 127. It's a f1000 with a focal ratio of 8, which for the aperture and your focal ratio, this telescope here is the bang for the buck, if you ask me. As not only does it work well with nebula and star clusters, it does very decent with planetary work as well. It comes with 2 slow motion control knobs, one of which you can see here. The other I do not have mount because I've added on an RA mount for tracking, which I will go on into another video as well. The EQ2 mount is not a bad one. It works good, it's fairly stable, it locks well, turns smooth, and does the job. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and I hope it helps.